It's time to reveal the top 3 finalists with the highest combined scores from the judges and all of the worldwide voting.
And here is our top 3 finalists.
It could be from voting at Vietnam.
Our first finalist, Vanessa Fulgarin.
Oh my goodness, wala na. Pinasok talaga ng 3 Latinang hurado. Wala, pasok na talaga to. Tapos Vietnam at Czech Republic. Ay, si Ghana pa pala.
To the top 3, Huang Yang Nguyen.
Oy, shit, my goodness, pasok nga. Ang lakas sa voting. Eh, may Ghana pa. Paano sa Philippines? Ay! Pero mahina ata si Ghana sa voting. Sana si mga ka-Alter Gazini.
And the last spot is yours.
Philippines!
Faith Maria.
Ay, shucks! Laglag nga. Pinasok si Vietnam sa votings.
Congratulations
Vanessa na yan.
to the 3 finalists of the MTI All-Stars. And now, the scores will be set to 0 again. So you
yung dalawang
also
Pinay
be a
Osad.
very important part of this competition. This is the last voting round to
Oh
help
my
the
goodness.
contestants
Okay,
to
Gazini,
win
hindi naman din
this
kasi
round.